He's back at it again.
Taking my food out of my bowl.
How do you feel about this?
Sad.
Mark that bush. What bush?
You already ate one bite. How dare you? Hey! Not fair.
He's back at it again. He loves himself some human food. I'm gonna try giving him a banana.
Sure.
Here, you want to eat the rest of it?
Yes! Here, I'll do it. I'll show you guys. I will.
No, not. Ew. Okay, look. Boo. No, I'm gonna cut up a banana and he's gonna eat a slice and then you can eat the rest of it. Do you want that?
No.
Look at him. He's running for that cereal. He's like, that's mine.
Tootie fart booty.
There by my dad's swords. Say hello, Noah. He took my spoon. Look at him. He took my spoon and launched it. My cereal.
How he's doing it, can't lie, it is extremely satisfying. Wow, I wanted to see the beginning. Like, they started to play, I wanted to see how he started the rolling. And like, when it's even, you just take it home. This video totally looks like it's on a loop, but then you look at the counter and you realize it's not. This person has so many tickets. Imagine all the prizes, all the
Oh my gosh.
Look at him. Like, seriously. Like, he thinks this is his food. Like, what's wrong with him? Why does he think that's his food? I'm gonna get a piece of his food. I'm gonna see if he'll stop eating my cereal because I gave him his food. Let's take a piece of his food.
He's still doing it.
Yeah, I know. Okay, I got a piece of his food. Oh, that's close. Sorry. A piece of his food. Dormy. Hey, bud. He just dropped it in my food. Ew. Y'all should have saw that. Okay, well, when you give him his own food, this is what he does. He just rejects it. Here. Look, he's like turning away from it. He's like, heck nah. He just rejects it and eats out of your cereal because, you know, he's a stinking rebel bird.